Hello everyone. So we are back. Now we've just launched our PostNitro CLI, and now using the CLI, the AI agents can now control your entire PostNitro account. So what you just need to do is install the CLI either directly using the npm package, or you can install it as a skill. Okay, and then give it to your AI agent to create the carousel content or schedule it on all of your social media platforms. So this is just a quick setup guide. First, let's just install the npm package. So let me just copy this. So paste it, and we are going to be installing it early. Package is now downloaded. So let's just check it out. Yep, the package is now installed. So if you go through the README file, you can see that how you can set up the entire process. Okay. First, we need to set up our auth key. So let's try this out. PostNitro auth set key. Then go to PostNitro. Copy the ID and paste it here. Okay. So the API key is now saved. And if I go back here to check the status, you can do PostNitro status. Voila. The API key is now saved. Okay. And now the other requests are like this. Okay, PostNitro template, brand list, brand. You need to actually set these details. Okay. So in case of you need to create a new carousel or anything, instead of providing these details again and again, you can simply set these as default. Okay, and then set them for all of your future carousels. So let's go with this. Okay, first let's just fetch everything. Just need to template first. So this will basically fetch the templates that we have there. So templates custom. Okay, so it fetched this one. You can see that the name is the same, retropod. Okay, we would actually need this ID. So now we just fetch the brand. We have the brands. Okay, confirm from here. Okay, so this is the brand now. And then PostNitro presets. Let's preset. Yep, the preset is now fetched. This is the same one here. And now we just need to set them as the default one. So let's go here. PostNitro defaults. Yep, Carousels. Maybe it is this one. Yep. And then we need to do brand ID. It is this. And then the AI presets. Preset ID. Go here, and this is the preset ID. Okay, so all of the defaults are now saved. Okay, we can do default set. And the defaults are fetched now. Okay, and now going on to creating a carousel, you can use our AI like we did with the APIs. Okay, PostNitro carousel generate, then the context and the type text. The dash wait flag actually waits for the entire carousel to get initiated, then checks the post status, and then provides the final output. Okay, now I just do this. And similarly for article, you can provide use this. Okay, dash context. Context would basically be the URL that you want us to extract, and set the type to article. Okay, make sure that it is article, not text. And then again, you can use a wait. Okay, and similarly for import, you can either provide the CLI with a JSON, okay, on the slides, and then ask it to generate, or you can provide it as a direct JSON file as a string format directly within this. So let's just do this instead. Copy this, paste it, and I'll just set the topic to something else. Onward. Let's make this some weird topic. Let's see. Okay. So now the request is sent. It is now initiating the carousel generation. Okay. And then it will check the post status and then provide the output. If you don't provide the dash wait flag, okay, you would need to go through each step individually. Okay, and then poll and then check if the post status is now completed, and now if it is ready to be downloaded. So let's just give it a few minutes to complete. Meanwhile, we can go to the design section here. You see, this is actually created now. So you can see the design here, and this is the final output. The carousel generation was a success. This is the embed post ID. The state is completed. The response type we sent as PDF. Okay, and credit use, design ID, name, and everything is provided here. Okay, you can simply just copy this, okay, and then this. So this is the carousel post. You can see it did create a carousel on our topic, but I can move on what it takes. Okay, and it generated a 5 slide carousel, which is now ready. And now, if we want to schedule this, we can simply do the schedule CLI command. Okay. Also, we have all of these options here. Okay. In case you do not provide an output response type, like if you want a PDF, if you want a PNG instead of a PDF, you can set the response type, okay, to PNG, and it will provide you with the PNG as the URL here. Okay. Now the default is obviously PDF. Okay, and now this is the scheduling part. Okay, we would need this selected social accounts, LinkedIn post type settings, and then post content. Okay, that we want the post to be published as. Now let's just copy this. Okay, and make the changes. Okay, first we would need to set the time. Okay, let's do 20.7. Sorry, 6. 7. And today is 6. Let's just set to 7 for tomorrow. Okay, and then the design ID. So this is the design ID. I'll just copy this. And paste it. Okay, and even the social accounts. Yeah, post like. Okay, so first we would need to actually fetch the social accounts that I talked about. So if I send this request right now, we can do one thing. We can change this to graph instead. Graph. Let's see. So it's not. Okay. Oh, sorry. I provided the selected social accounts. Let's just keep this as an empty edit. Okay, so this post is now saved as a doc. Let's see. I go into the planner now. Okay, you can see this is the post for tomorrow. This was the tag that we provided. Okay, the post, document, title, and everything, caption, and everything is provided now. Okay, and to edit this, you can use the update query. Okay, basically the same thing. Okay, update, then you provide the ID, which is this one. Okay, and then provide the same flags as the create one, and it would update the entire thing to with your updates, like this. And to get the social accounts, you can go PostNitro CLI, right? Sorry. So it is now showing all of the social accounts that I have connected to my account. Okay, these ones, and then I can do this. Instead of create, it would be update with the ID here. So, and then let us paste it here. It's just this here. And now I need to change it to scheduled, and everything is set. So let's this copy the IDs for we need to provide codes, and then I just add some changes here. And and then let us send this request. Okay, so the post has been updated. If I close this now and refresh it, you can see that the post is now updated, and you can see that the caption is also updated. Now, one thing we forgot to update was the post title. Okay, 5 to 9 character title, which is the default one that we passed here. We can change that as well. Okay. Now I got value. Let's close this and refresh. Now let's check. So the post title is now updated. You can see that everything is now being controlled using the CLI. These are just the basic things that I've shown you right now. What you can do is you can edit your brand, you can add a new brand, you can modify, you can fetch your templates, you can modify the scheduled post, you can delete the post. So basically, the reason for creating this was that it's much easier for the AIs to use our CLI instead of the API call directly, and they can simply automate your entire thing. Right? So what you just need to do is create a PostNitro account, like you normally do, sign up for PostNitro, and then get on a paid plan, and then set the API credits. Okay, and that's it. Then we just need to provide the AI with the API calls, API keys, and that's it. That's all you need to do to get everything done. Okay, let me know if you need any help or if you have any questions. We've also published on ClawHub now, so you can directly add PostNitro to your OpenClaw and then automate everything, your text messages or anything that you feel comfortable with. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.